Hello dear friends and welcome. In this new channel we will open the timeless doors of a sacred art, the art of Arabic calligraphy, Hüsn-i. Calligraphy is not just handwriting, it is the reflection of the soul, the rhythm of patience, and the melody of faith flowing through a pen. Every line, every curve, every dot is a breath, a prayer, a trace of discipline and devotion. Here, we'll explore the world of Arabic calligraphy in all its beauty, both historical and technical. We'll begin our journey with the Riq'a script, the foundation for every beginner in the art of hot. Riq'a is simple yet elegant, the perfect way to train your hand, steady your mind, and prepare your heart for more advanced scripts. Together, we will learn how to form letters, how to hold the pen correctly, and how to balance each shape with harmony and precision. We'll talk about ink, paper, proportions, and the subtle rhythm that makes each line come alive. But beyond technique, we'll also touch the spiritual essence of this art. Because true calligraphy is not only done by hand, it is written with the heart. A master calligrapher's pen mirrors the state of his soul. Each letter reveals patience, focus, and the beauty hidden within silence. Throughout our journey, we'll also share stories of the great masters, from Sheikh Hamdullah to Yesari Mehmed Esad, from Ahmed Karahisari to Mustafa Rakim. Their lives, their struggles, their devotion to perfection, all continue to inspire artists today. We'll discover how this centuries-old art can live and breathe in the modern world. Through digital calligraphy, graphic design, and even AI-assisted lettering. Because the soul of art never dies, it only finds new forms. Each video will build upon the previous one, step by step. This is a journey, a continuous flow of learning. By following along, you'll eventually be able to create your own compositions, shaped by both discipline and inspiration. So, we invite you to subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave your thoughts and questions in the comments. This channel is not only mine, it's our shared studio, a place to learn, to practice, and to grow together. Remember, Hüsn-i is a lifelong journey. Every stroke you make is a reflection of patience, effort, and beauty. If you write with heart, each line becomes a prayer, and each word, a work of art. I'm truly happy to share this path with you. So prepare your pens, mix your ink, and get ready. Because in our first lesson, we'll begin with the basic letters of Riq'a script. Welcome, my friends. May your lines be graceful, your hands steady, and your hearts filled with art.